Should we dive right in?
Yeah, sounds great. Cool. Let's do it.
Great. So I think the first thing we're going to do is create our showcase. So as you can see, we've already created one here. It's for a Vimeo town hall, and there's a ton you can customize about the showcases.
What is a showcase?
So a showcase is basically like a viewing destination for your live events as well as additional video on demand content. So as you can see, I have this one live event up here, and then multiple videos beneath it. You can drag around the order of these videos just by dragging and dropping them. And one really cool thing about this live event is that it's actually like a recurring live event. You can continue to stream to that live event after you've ended your past ones, and past live events will archive in this list of content below.
Got it. Thanks. So with the showcase, actually, is it something where if I'm in the marketing department, I can set up my own showcase? There could be a separate showcase for training videos.
Yeah, absolutely. You can make multiple showcases with different privacy settings, depending on whether the showcase is publicly facing or just for your internal team. So that's actually one really great setting of showcases are the privacy settings. As you can see, you're able to make your showcase publicly facing and available to anyone. You can also password protect it. You can make it embed only. And then also, if you're hoping to implement single sign-on, you would set the privacy setting to be only people on my team.
Great. And single sign-on is, can you explain that a little bit more?
Yeah, absolutely. So basically, it allows your viewers to sign in with generic company-wide email credentials in order to access their showcase. That means they only have to remember the sign-on credentials for their one email address and not for, multiple accounts.
Okay. So I can imagine it's easier to administer for an admin.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. So you would just select this privacy setting of only people on my team. But there's lots of other things you can customize with the showcase as well. If you click on this Assets tab, you can upload a custom thumbnail and your company logo, as well as your brand colors. If you're, hoping to make this showcase publicly facing and you want it to show up high in search results, you can add metadata to optimize SEO.
So that would be very important for marketing.
Yeah, absolutely. Probably less important for like an internal comms instance, like a town hall or all hands meeting or something like that. We also have a couple different layouts you can choose from. I really like this live layout because it prominently features that one recurring live event up here, and then all of your other assets are located beneath the one live event. We have a light theme and a dark theme, and you're also able to hide the Vimeo navigation, which gives you a really great completely white labeled experience. And you can also embed the showcase. It just kind of shows your live event as well as all of the other video assets below as like a playlist. So you can embed it on any page if you're using like a learning management system or intranet system or something like that. So that's kind of an overview of how you'd customize the appearance of your showcase. So let's dive into creating that live event. Awesome. So as you can see, I've created this Vimeo Town Hall live event. I'm just going to click on it. There are a couple different settings you can actually change about the live event. As you can see, you can add a title, description, and then we have this really handy frequency label. If you're going to be streaming to this live event on a regular cadence, you can give it this weekly, daily, or custom frequency label that will show which day of the week and what time you'll be streaming to that live event.
Nice. That's very handy for viewers.
Oh yeah, absolutely. And it basically will just display that date and time on the live event so that viewers will know when they're supposed to tune in the future. And if you're hoping to enable interactivity tools, you'll just toggle on this enable chat button and hit save.
Hold your breath.
Oh, we're live. There we are. So as you can see, you can stream directly from your webcam using this like browser-based encoder. You can also, if you're streaming from your webcam, just share your screen. So as you can see, we've shared our screen right here, and you can easily switch between your webcam and your screen share in the middle of a live stream. But if you're using another third-party encoder, you can also stream using RTMP. So you'll just find the RTMP settings right here and plug them into your encoder. So once you actually start going live, we'll go live right now. You can stream directly to that live event within your showcase, but you also can stream to multiple other destinations, including Facebook, YouTube, and recently LinkedIn. You can start streaming to LinkedIn.
Wow, that's awesome. I'm sure that's something